Hello, from the Design Automation Conference 2015. Now I am with a company, maybe you know, maybe you don't know, called OmniPhy. And I'm with the CEO and founder, which is Ritesh Saraf. So maybe not all the audience knows about OmniPhy, and can you tell me some word about what this company is doing?
Sure, Gabriele. Thank you for this opportunity to talk about the company. OmniPhy has been around since 2012, January of 2012, and we are an IP provider focused on Phi IPs. We have a broad portfolio of IPs ranging from PCIe, USB, SATA, 10G, KR, and now moving on to Gen 4 and 25 gig. In addition, we are also branching out into automotive IPs, which is a very exciting area for us. The company has a very strong pedigree of being in the IP space. As a team, we've been in the IP space for close to 8 years now, previously as part of Prism Circuits, then as part of Moses, and over the last 3 years as part of OmniPhy.
Okay, very interesting. So what's really hot at DAC? Is this automotive Phi or other IPs? What is the hottest news you would like to give out?
Sure. So OmniPhy started in automotive IPs more than a year ago, and we realized that very quickly that the requirements for automotive IPs are very different than the consumer IPs, and that today that all the IPs that are provided by the different IP providers don't really meet the automotive requirements. For example, there's different temperature requirements for automotive. People want to run automotive for up to 150 degrees, 175 degrees. They want more error detection capability. They want real-time error prediction capability as well. In addition, there is strong emission standards for automotive. By emission, I mean electromagnetic emissions. And when we're doing high-speed interfaces or transmissions, those also cause emissions. So that's the new thing about automotive, especially as it relates to IP, and more so analog IP. And what we have developed is an automotive Phi, an automotive Ethernet Phi, which is a new standard which was previously started by Broadcom, OABR, Open Access Broad R, and now it's adopted by IEEE as a 100 base T1 standard, and we just recently taped out the silicon for that, and that is what I'm presenting today at DAC.
Just by curiosity, in car, you spoke about temperature and other requirements. Low power is not that's not the first demand?
Sure, power is definitely always a requirement for anybody. It's not nothing special about that. Everybody talks about power, but I think the car industry is also paranoid about the reliability and the security and the safety. So those are, I guess I'm just talking about the new things that are unique to the car market, to the automotive market. From this regard, and it's really exciting for us. There's a lot of focus on automotive at DAC as well. There's a booth with autonomous car. So I think in general for the whole semiconductor industry, it's a great area because there's forecasts that the automotive sector for semiconductors is the highest growth area with double-digit growth.
Okay. That's interesting because we don't hear so much about IP for cars, so good. So good luck.
Thank you, Gabriele.
Bye-bye.